as someone who also has sensory issues, I don't have a good system for how to make wigs feel comfortable. Um, I can only wear wigs for a few hours before they start, like, I really start to notice the squeezing of my head, and it's just causing like headaches types of things. Like, it's already doing that. Like, I'm at the end of my content day, and I suffer. I don't have a good solution. Little things that I can do is like tuck the ear and the wig cap back as far away from the backs of my ears as possible. I can't really show this very well. But yeah, the backs of my ears are very sensitive, so if I can just like push that back, that helps a lot. And also like my hairline, pushing the wig cap back there too, and then also the wig. But then you have the issue of the wig, like your real hair poking through. So, if you want your hair to look more real or realistic, then that's not gonna help you much. But yeah, I kind of suffer through it. I can't help. If anyone else has ideas on how to make wigs less of a sensory nightmare, please share, because I want to know your secrets.